Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Rafael and this will be our last video. So today we will learn how to make a handmade trophy for you for being such good students. Materials. The materials we need are a soda bottle, it can be like this one. Paints, gold or silver and black colored paints. Paintbrush. Scissors. A piece of black foamy. Glue. This time it is necessary to use silicone because we will be gluing a plastic bottle. Steps. First, with the help of an adult, using scissors, cut the bottle in half to obtain the base and the cup of the trophy. Then, with the paintbrush and the paint of your choice, paint both pieces of the bottle. I used the gold colored paint. Now, with the help of an adult, with the silicone, glue the two pieces of the bottle in this way. It should look like this. Now, with the black paint, on the cup of the trophy, paint the number 1, like this. Then, with the paint of your choice, write the word student on the piece of black foamy. Finally, glue it on the base of the trophy. And we are done. This is how it should look like at the end. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.